Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Right now you're looking at a festival strawberry, which is an ever-bearing strawberry that is heat tolerant. I'm right now right on the border of zone 9B and 10A in Florida, and I've mixed the sugar sand in with the little bit of dirt or soil that came with the festival strawberry. So you're seeing this after about a 3-week or 4-week, somewhere in there, establishment period. And if you look, it's got these little tiny strawberries forming in there. Let me zoom in a bit and we'll go in through the side here. There they are. You can see them. Pretty crazy, huh? So there's one right there. Looks like it's ready. So I just think that's amazing. It is right now, it's May the 28th, 2022. So we're gonna see if we can propagate this going forward. Hopefully it gets, it starts to throw runners. That's what I'm really hoping for. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated on the progress of these strawberry plants going forward. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. Have a good day.